Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to find out which keyboard keys you have pressed how many times in Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser. And in the Google search, search for one application named as Key Counter by SKware Ampere. On the first list, you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see a download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Let's just open the extracted folder. Now you will see the second file is the application. Just double click on it. Now you can see this kind of user interface. So on the right side, you can see here different keystrokes. So you can manually add one by one which keyboard keys you want to add, or if you want to add all the keyboard keys, then you can just select this option, all the above keys, and now just click on this add keys to list. Then you can see here all the keyboard keys will be added here on the chart, and below you can reset the counts also if you wish. So once your all settings are done, you can just click on this start monitoring. And now say let me try to press different keyboard keys right now. So you can see here it's counting, as you can see. So if I keep pressing on different keys, so you can see here different keyboard keys. So you can see which key I have pressed how many times. So you can see different keys have different numbers. So if you want to save this data, then you can just click on this file and you can just click on this export to CSV, and you can give any file name and you can click on save. And if you want to stop monitoring, then you can just click on this stop monitoring, then it will stop monitoring. And if you want to reset the counts, then you can just click on this reset counts, then it will restore back to the 0 value all the key press counts. So by using this cool software named as Key Counter, you can easily find out which keyboard keys you have pressed how many times in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.